So they looked at 2,621 women, which is a huge number of women. So really brilliant sample size that they've included here in their study. And we're actually palpating through the linea alba. So we are starting at the xiphoid process and we are feeling all the way down through the midline. So now we've had a look at the interrectus distance at rest. What we want to be looking at now is what happens when our client performs an abdominal curl up. So we might note that some doming occurs through the midline. So again, that is mismanagement of intra-abdominal pressure more often than not. So again here, it's a simple way of looking at how our ladies are moving. Can she differentiate between lumbar and pelvic movement? But it's a useful thing to look at. So again, if you do have a treatment couch, just look at how your ladies are transferring on and off, but actually home in on the tummy as she's performing these movements, because it can tell you a lot about what is actually happening. So now we're going to move on to the second practical in this module, and this is really about putting it all together and coming up with some appropriate Pilates programming strategies for the client with diastasis. So again, we're thinking about functional movements, and pulling and pushing are really functional movements that women do throughout their day.